Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Parul and today I am going to talk about the top 5 economic indicators that every investor should know. Economic indicators provide valuable insights into the overall health of the economy. The first one is called Gross Domestic Product or GDP. It measures the total value of all the goods and services produced and it is a key indicator of economic growth. A strong GDP growth rate indicates a flourishing economy, while a decline could indicate a recession. Another important measure is the Consumer Price Index or CPI. It is a monthly or annual number that shows changes in the prices of goods and services and helps investor understand inflation. So rising CPI suggests that the prices are rising, which can impact purchasing power and affect investment decisions. The unemployment rate is another important indicator and it measures the percentage of people actively seeking employment but unable to find it. So low unemployment rates may indicate a strong or robust economy, while high unemployment rate could be a sign of economic instability. Interest rates set by central banks also play a crucial role in the economy and influence borrowing costs for businesses and consumers. So, when interest rates are low, it can stimulate businesses and encourage consumers to spend, fostering economic growth. On the other hand, the higher interest rates can discourage borrowing and slow down the economic activity. The stock market is another indicator investors closely watch as it provides valuable information on the overall direction of the economy. A bullish market indicates optimism and positive economic sentiment, while a bearish market suggests a downturn. So, these indicators provide a snapshot of the economy and can help investors make better decisions. By keeping an eye on these indicators, investors can gauge the economic landscape and adapt their investment strategies accordingly. So now that you know the top 5 economic indicators, make sure to incorporate them into your investment analysis. Consider subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with the latest economic news and investment strategies if you haven't already subscribed to it. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!